Hey guys, in this video I'm going to make a disposable mask out of a paper towel and rubber bands. What I have here is Select-A-Size. We're in the middle of a pandemic and the only thing that I could get is Select-A-Size. So this is how I make a paper towel mask. Basically I start with a fold that's about an inch, give or take, and I fold this in an accordion manner all the way to the end of the paper towel. Now my suggestion to you is use the best quality paper towel, thickest paper towel that you can find. I'm also going to show you doing a double paper towel here in a minute. And so what we do is we just go ahead and fold it all the way to the end in an accordion manner like so. And then we're going to take some rubber bands. These are 3.5-inch rubber bands I got from Staples, and the thing is they're a little tight when you put it around your ears, so you want to make sure that you only use like the very end of the rubber band if you can. And I try and do like double staples on this one like so. Then I come over and do the other side pretty much the same way. Just put the paper towel close to the, or put the rubber band close to the end of the paper towel, fold it over, and then you staple it up. And that is pretty much the process. You can make this in whatever time has elapsed here, about a minute or so. And then you have a mask. You pull these rubber bands over your ears and you have some protection. Now, how much protection, I don't know, but at the moment there are absolutely no respiratory masks available anywhere. And so what I'm doing here is I've got the Select-A-Size and I'm doing a double. I'm doing the one fold that way, the one that way, and you just pretty much go through the same process, except that it's a little more difficult when you get to the end. So you do an accordion fold. On this one I would give it more than the normal inch, maybe 1.5 inches, because you're going to have to get through that with a staple. Now if you got a really good staple gun, I'd say just go for as thin as you want to go, whatever. But in this case I don't have a great staple gun. I've got just what I could find on hand, which was like a $3 little stapler that I was able to get at Staples of all places. You can get this at Walmart or anywhere, pretty much the same stapler. So you're a little thicker here, so you just go ahead and pop in a couple of staples on each end. Now what I've found with this is it's a little more difficult to breathe through, which may not be a bad thing because that means it's letting less particles through. And if you are looking for the least amount of particles to come through and your lungs are really healthy, unlike mine where you hear me gasping because I haven't treated my lungs as well as I could have over the years, which is why I definitely need one of these. So just pull it out like so, and I will take a picture of my ugly mug wearing one of these here in a minute. Alright, well thank you very much. I hope this has helped you, and I appreciate you watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in another video.